Hello, my name is Michael Herf with Arizona Roofers, the chosen contractor for Sonia Adams. Here conducting a repair test. I'll be removing this shingle right here and replacing it with this architectural shingle. To remove this one, I'll have to pull the nails from the shingle above it, and then the nails from the shingle that I'm going to be removing to get it out. So, all right, let's begin. All right, the shingle is removed. Just me trying to get the nails out from the shingles above it, crease right here. Alright, the new shingle is installed. I'll be fastening it down with the nails. All right, so yeah, just from even lifting the shingles up a little bit to get the nails in, it caused creasing along the whole top part of the shingle just to even get the nail in. Which I'm not raising it too far up, just enough to get the nail heads in. Same thing with this shingle, major creasing. I'll show you. So this creasing wasn't here before, but we have major creasing now right here, just for me trying to get that nail in. It creased right here, right here, right here. Those nails creased right here, right here. And then for me to get this nail in and this nail in, because that one pulled out as I was, you know, applying this one. We had creasing right here and right here. And then along with this shingle, same scenario. Looks like it's almost fallen off, but creasing all along the top. You can see that. Right here. So with that, I would say if we try to repair any other areas of the roof, we will damage all the shingles around it. So with that, my conclusion is this is a failed repair test, because if you try to repair any other shingles, you will damage all the shingles that are around your repair. So with that, failed. I'm running out of chalk. That is a failed test. Thank you for your time.